Ever pondered on the intricacies of obtaining a Kuwait work visa? Let us take a closer look at this exciting process. Kuwait, a nation known for its rich heritage and abundant opportunities, provides a diverse range of visa alternatives. These options are specifically designed to cater to a variety of entry needs, of stay and travel intentions, covering everything from tourist to visit visas and including long-term residency visas for foreigners. But today, our main focus will be the Kuwait work visa. This visa is your starting point towards a successful career in Kuwait, making it an essential first step. It's much more a mere stamp on your passport. It is your pass to an exciting new professional trajectory. But obtaining it is not without its challenges. You need a job offer from a Kuwaiti enterprise or government entity to even start the process. The procedure of getting a Kuwait work visa is multi-layered and requires meticulous attention to detail. It involves understanding certain regulations and ensuring all the paperwork is done correctly. Let us walk you through these steps, helping you understand the process better and equipping you with the knowledge you need to successfully navigate your way towards obtaining the Kuwait work visa. Let's dive in and explore these steps. Obtaining a Kuwait work visa doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's a series of steps that you need to follow. The first step in securing a Kuwait work visa is receive a job offer from a private company or government organization in Kuwait. It is crucial that the offer comes from a well-established organization. Once you have this, you're ready to initiate the process of gathering the necessary documents. You'll need a valid passport, a crucial travel document that should be up to date and should have a validity period that extends well beyond your expected stay in Kuwait. Along with this, you'll require a completed visa application issued by the Kuwait Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This application must be filled out diligently, with correct and truthful information. Next, you'll need to provide a passport-size photo. The photo should be recent, clear, and meet the prescribed specifications. A health certificate from a local doctor is another requirement. This is to ensure that you are in good health and capable of taking up the job and living in Kuwait. The Kuwait work visa process also includes an HIV/AIDS test. This is a mandatory requirement, as well as police clearance to demonstrate a clean record. This is to ensure that you have no criminal background, thereby ensuring the safety of the Kuwaiti community. Finally, you'll need your job offer and a work contract from your Kuwait employer. It's important that the contract clearly states the terms and conditions of your employment. Once you have these documents in hand, you can submit your application. Upon submission of your application, you will receive a No Objection Certificate or NOC. This certificate serves as your golden ticket, granting you entry into Kuwait. Once arrive in Kuwait, you don't get to relax just yet. A residency visa will be granted, but there's more to do. Within 30 days of your arrival, it's necessary to apply for a Kuwait civil ID. This ID serves as your official identification within the country and is crucial for various transactions, like opening a bank account. Now let's talk about the cost. The associated visa fee for this entire process is 180 Kuwait dinar. Yes, it's a bit of an investment, but think about the thrilling opportunities that await you in Kuwait. The entire process, from job offer to obtaining the work visa, typically takes between 8 to 11 weeks. It may seem like a long time, but remember, good things come to those who wait. If you're wondering about job vacancies, Kuwait offers a wide array of opportunities. From engineering to finance to marketing and so much more, there's a job waiting for you in Kuwait. It's a step-by-step process that requires some patience, effort, and a bit of an investment, but the rewards are well worth it. Once you've followed these steps, you're well on your way to securing your Kuwait work visa. Kuwait is a land of opportunity, with a plethora of roles available for expatriates. Its job market, diverse and thriving, presents a broad spectrum of opportunities for professionals from all walks of life. Whether your expertise lies in engineering, or you have a passion for teaching English, whether you've honed your skills in finance supervision, or you have a knack for graphic design and marketing, Kuwait has a place for you. There are also numerous roles in emerging areas like e-commerce, real estate management, and computer engineering. Of course, navigating a foreign job market can be a challenging task, but that's where Kuwait's robust network of recruitment agencies comes into play. Trusted names like AirSwift, Trusted Worldwide, Barclay Simpson M, and Action Recruitment and Management have made their mark in the industry by facilitating employment opportunities for expatriates in Kuwait. Other agencies like Michael Page, S Group of International Employment Career Hunters, Conis Consulting Company, HR Invest, SOS HR Solutions, and Mackenzie Jones have solid reputations for connecting expatriates with potential employers. These organizations act as bridges between you, the job seeker, and your potential employer, offering a vital support network to assist you in your job hunting journey. They help in navigating the complexities of the job market, providing guidance and making the entire process more manageable. With the right guidance and preparation, landing a job in Kuwait can be a smooth process. What about bringing your family along? Yes, Kuwait's visa choices include your family too. Dependents can accompany the main applicant to Kuwait within a week. Remember, only male applicants can sponsor their wives and children under 18. Kuwait's family visa offers a 90-day stay, renewable upon expiry. Sponsoring a family requires a Kuwait resident to earn at least 450 Kuwaiti dinar monthly in the public sector, or 650 in the private sector. This contributes to Kuwait's demographic balance. Obtaining a Kuwait work visa is a journey, one that promises rewarding opportunities with enough preparation and perseverance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, safe travels. Let's delve deeper into some other important aspects of the Kuwait work visa. First, let's talk about the cost of living. Kuwait, being one of the richest countries in the world, has a higher cost of living compared to other Middle Eastern countries. However, the good news is that salaries are generally higher too, which helps balance things out. Next, cultural differences. Kuwait is a Muslim country, and it is essential to respect their customs and traditions. Dress modestly, be mindful of prayer times, and avoid public displays of affection. The local cuisine is delicious and worth trying. You'll also find a range of international restaurants to cater to your tastes. Now, some tips to aid your transition. Learning a bit of Arabic will definitely come in handy, although English is widely spoken. Get to know your colleagues and neighbors. They can provide valuable insights into the local culture and may even become your new friends. And last but not least, remember to enjoy the experience. Living and working in a new country can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. With these additional insights, you're now better equipped to embark on your journey to Kuwait. In the next video, we'll dive into more specifics about life in Kuwait, so stay tuned.